Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan vlog over there. Miss Psynos love the bobsled so much. She will go back again. Over there, just take a little break and I get some food. See her there. She'll take a picture and all that. What is it, man? Nose Bugu. Oh my god. Okay, sorry, it's not Bugu. Yeah, there, man, I get some food and thing. Hope you guys enjoy the vibe. I will go film it. But this time, I will go back down at the bobsled and I go drive. Because my Psynos I come run off for a month, I tell life and me go home and scream. I did a chat dear Spanish and everything, so I guess a full throttle. It go fly off a track, you know. I joke in the name of Jesus, that shall not happen. Watch a mama, hey, you watch a woman there, what I do, mama tense now, right? Could have, like in football, if you bust through this.
Yeah, man, she's stiff or...
Stiff. Yeah, man, so yeah. There, man. Just away from some food because I'm hungry. And then we gonna head out again. Yo, big up to Digicel, my sponsor. Where my money at? Digicel, where my money at? Peter Gay, where my money at? Where my money at? Yeah, big up to Digicel still. Shout out to NCBA. Yeah, man, we're there. And thing, you know what I mean? We're there. Let's be a smile, let's a smile. Yeah, but we're there. I get some food. And we just, Psynos a that man. We just go and journey the boy, yeah? Yes! Love you. We're at the lookout point. The lookout tower. Let me show you. Show them Miss Psynos. Jesus. Pretty. Look at that. Yo. Look at that. Pretty bad. See that? Yo, up here so nice. This nice, bruh. You ready for that, Miss Psynos? Yes. Look at that. Yo. Miss Psynos, you know, say a whole heap of land left to live in a Ochi. Watch it. Untouched land that, you know? Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
Yo. A whole heap of land there. So, yeah. Oh, see there? Bossy. So, how come everybody just want to eat your prices and nobody not think out of the box and say, yo, maybe build a house over there?
Houses may be there, you know, but you can't see them because of the trees. I don't know.
Yeah,
But
yeah. See there?
to the right here where I fear the most. The
You could go over there.
ragamuffin.
See there?
Really, ragamuffin is not good.
Yo, Muna go
Even
there.
they are weird.
Yeah, true, me never want to swim in. Yo, that's why they look bad.
Yeah, we never carry a swimsuit.
Yeah. I'm not going in and the ragamuffins.
And there's Margarita Bay.
That's how I go later. Don't tell
To
me.
the boat there.
Yeah.
Road to the that's the one.
Yeah.
And then the church.
That look like Tony's something there, man.
Yes, it does.
Watch out, yeah, my friend, watch it, yeah. Yeah, my friend. Okay, watch. You're fat. Look at this thing. What is that? What is she doing? She don't realize it. You're not going to hurt this. Watch your wig. Watch your wig go pop here now. Watch your Jesus Shantala man. Watch your wig here now. Watch your wig go pop. Watch your wig. Get your black ass flat ass out of the way.
Hold the wig, hold the wig.
Hold the wig. Yeah, I'm not blaming my friend. Take it time.
Watch out, stop the
The machine malfunction in the backside does not compute. Does not, because she now set her foot straight. See, as she'll do it. As she'll put her foot sideways. So the way I'm gonna push her down, she needs to set her foot straight. Backside and stuff. How she do it? Put your foot straight. Yeah, vlog world, we're ready I know. Somebody feel like them want to be a ragamuffin. You're afraid? You better go up there, yeah. You afraid? You're afraid? Boy, you better stop playing with me. No, sir. We're going to the ragamuffin. Raga. So them go very fancy with the ragamuffin. Them get budget.
Yeah, you walk on this and then on the bottom and you walk on it, go all the way up there.
Yo, she just say, you walk on it and you know. Also see them, see the employees, them drive up where. But
They're
we
from Mystic Ridge.
Okay. So a fool will take me for. I guess if them have an emergency, this would be the way. This is smart. This is the world's fastest ride, 60
Oh, you
seconds.
can actually walk down there so long and come up. I'm afraid. Do not look down, do not look down.
Girl, look, you better look down.
Wait, you can hold my hand?
Oh God!
Because if we drop together.
We drop together. Let go your backside. You take me. You can't dead me have to live. I'm good looking. You me. Man, I need get.
You can't stop admiring people and hold my hand.
Me not admire them. I trouble them. Young love.
Yo, no, every somebody can walk on this.
She just say what? Not every person.
It is now.
What sir? Not every person.
I'm afraid. I don't want to
Man, tap your damn nice. What you afraid? I'm not about to play
Look
my
like
man.
swing them. Look now. Watch out.
Mad! Pop. Fling with that. Pop.
See? Put it.
Yeah,
Put it.
Let's go.
Put it.
Yeah, boy. Anytime you ready, you know. Call me ready, you know. See that? The ultimate ragamuffin, you know, boy. It's crazy, you see that? Crazy. Look there. No, sir. Oh, my God. You see that? You hear that clicking sound there? Entering hyperdeath.
Yo, stop it.
That's what I call Godspeed.
That's where the electric ATVs go. Jesus, Father, God. Be with me, I don't know why me I do this.
Vlog world. Chill no man. Vlog world. That be a nice show over here, mate. I'm here. Be a nice. Be a nice.
Oh,
You nervous?
yeah.
Yo, bro, you want to tell her say it's a prank? Are you alone are gonna actually go? Lock it now. Yo, I'm ready.
So far, they're gone.
Mm.
The
Oh,
powers,
man.
that's the parasail.
That's what I wanted us to do.
The parasail.
That's what I wanted us to do, bro. Yeah, brakes on it, though, like the bobsled. No brakes on the pan, big brother.
You actually money breaks the funny something?
Like the bobsled. Yo, lock now.
No, it's not locked. You have to lock it. It's not locked.
Father God, here we go. Boop.
Afraid.
You're afraid?
I'm a second time I do it and I'm still can't get it.
Everything we do to me bad, I apologize. Every stress.
I got locked.
Because when woman stress out, man, you know, apologize right now.
I got locked.
You gonna lock your eyes?
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus. Here we go, you know. Remember, breathe, babe. Hold your foot. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Alright, see ya now, On fire. Yeah.
Hey! Let me off of this road!
Breathe. I tell you to breathe.
Jesus! See where it goes down, my God!
I tell it to breathe.
Why? 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 Oh! Me not know when me there. Jesus! Why? Why? Oh!
Breathe, man, breathe.
What? Then this after that when you jam me to rapid. What?
Yeah, man, get wild like this a while ago. Man, take your time.
So rich?
Yeah, man, we're so rich. Just close your eye. If I understand G-force how it works, you know, guys.
Oh!
Breathe, 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 Peter, breathe. Father. It's alright.
Bite you. Oi, hey!
Oh, I know
I move too far. Oh, right.
Bite you.
Respect big brother.
Alright.
Why? I think the intense one right there, so is the throat right there, so. Eh? Yeah, the most intense one is right there, so. Yeah, right there, so. Yeah. That one feel like when playing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Take a nice can and if I understand G4. That was dope though. That was dope.
Babe, you get everything on your course.
Everything. No, I'm not telling a lie still. The only one. No, let me tell you why I did get afraid. The only time me did get afraid one time. You know why? When it swing this side, it feel like it was out of the normal pathway. It do this, you know? It feel like that one that they feel like it go pop off a while ago. That are the only part. Me I say, them sure this natural? I think them need to work on that part, the right there. So.
No, babe, it's nothing to
And
work
them do it?
on. That's how it stays.
Yo, the thing feel
There's one thing hold you down.
yeah, I know, but that part they just swing
That's how
out
it
a line.
feel. That's why it's called a ragamuffin.
Yo, that part that was definitely ragga. Yo. Chano. That was cool. Fast though. It's intense. We done it fast. Psynos, where you at? Yeah. Yeah. See her there? Hey, we got full speed, bruh. Yeah, we never get to be together. Them say they were saying that it's one at a time and all them stuff there. And I wanted to go full speed because I did. Nah, tell the lie, man. I wanted to go full speed, but they separated me and Miss Psynos, which sucks because I wanted her to experience it. You think we should go again? Third time? One of them said, allow me to tell Terati. Yeah, it was cool. Sigh. What is that? Oh. Mama go full speed, you know, man. With our son, you know, man. Yo, she brave is a shame. Yeah, it's cool, guys. Look, enjoy the scenery. Dan. Oh, the cables tugging up everything. Yes. Wanna go again? What? Yeah, we should. One more time. But tell them let's go together. Yeah. Boy, hey, what's your man? What's your man? Yo. When that I send in a man vlog girl. But vlog girl so far birthday been good for her, and I'm happy I get the chance to just really make a lot of things come true and just make this come true for me Psynos and thing. You know what I mean? So I'm kinda grateful for that. And then thing there, so yeah, kinda grateful for that. Ah. I'm grateful for that and thing, you know?
Getting ready.
Hey, what happened? Hey, why is she shaking like that?
Boys, you know. Them choke me. Babe, can you hold this?
I wonder if I should go.
I think you should.
Think I should?
Yeah.
Look at it, guys.
So we don't think it will slide.
How are you feeling to go on this now?
Me? Normal.
I know
for
he
me.
likes it because it's like a military type of thing.
This is normal for me. First rule when climbing, take off all jewelry. Yep.
I'm not going on that.
Right?
So how do you reach to the... Oh, you have to start from the top. So you have to go from the top and come down?
No. Now I'll start from there. That's about me. You just screw me. Right foot.
What happened? You turning back?
I turn back the way you do it. Turn back. Yeah.
On it now, guys. Bye. Babe. There he is. There he is. He's walking on the ladder. Oh, he's not walking on the ladder. He's walking on the rope bridge. Whatever that is.
Good job, guys. Go, Daddy, go. Hey, drop your phone and take a picture.
I don't know how he does it, but I couldn't do that. Oh my god. Catch a spider. Catch a spider. And there goes Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. You mean Spider-Man?
Yeah, it was cool, easy. I think
We're gonna ride that around.
yes, we're gonna ride the thingy around now. What's it called? The skyscraper or the sky explorer? It was cool. We're gonna ride the skyscraper. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. Yeah man vlogger, so we're here taking what's it called? The Sky Explorer. Down, going back and forth, we're going up and down and all over the place. Yeah. Yeah. I was telling them upstairs that I really well near the bobsled.
I really, really love you. And I just can't wait to be with you. But bro, look what them lean there. Jesus Christ. The man so fat and lean this up. Jesus God. Jesus God.
Yeah, I'm sure balance.
Oh my God.
We can't show no. Yeah man, lean
Yo.
to bobsled.
Samia. It will vibrate.
Tension caused that, my dear. Relax now. Yeah? Eh? Tie-o. Me no name stupid, you a fool. Alright, peeps. If you know your things, where they go, we never go, See we again. Back on the bobsled. Back on the bobsled. Yeah man, so here we go. Bye, Miss Psynos! Alright, so here we are going now. One last time for the wheel. We did one with two of us. But I don't know what they must say. We can't do it again. I don't know how we're going. But here we go, man. Here we go. Alright. They must spoil up the whole experience, bro. I don't know. They be tripping, but here we go. They seem to love the camera. Oi! Here we go. They go mad now, you know. They go mad now, man. Yo, we go mad now. Mad now. Yo! Yeah man, break you up man. Yo! Mad! Mad! See me here! Yo! You alright? Where's the top speed? You did Fred? How was it? You got top speed? Hey! Yeah man, no play man. Brother! No sir. Yo! Time to go home now. Yo! It's been a great day, I'm not telling a lie. Not telling a lie, it's been a great day. Oh, Miss Psynos. Say hello, Miss Psynos! See her there. Yo! Yo! It's crazy, bruh. It was really, really nice. Not to lie. Yep. It was really nice, man. Alright. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Yeah, man, it was really nice. But we're going to head back down now. Yeah, we took our pictures.
Yeah.
I will print them off. Alright. Oh, they have another part? Alright.
What's around there?
Smoke free environment. Oh, it's a garden. It's a garden, babe.
Yeah, you never know that?
No.
I think birds are around there too.
Okay.
But I said
Alright.
birds.
You alright, Miss Psynos?
Yeah, I just love the bobsled.
Yeah. Belly hurt me now.
Guys, we're gonna call my uncle now.
I will go down now. Come on. Yeah, we can call him. We're going down. Yeah, we're going Ochi. Ochi, 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 Ochi. I can't know. We didn't do that. Mommy, you're not alone.
I love you so much. Guys, I love you so much.
Yes, sir. You're the wonderful weekend boy. Walk one, vlog. So it's been a long and eventful weekend. Remember we did for go beach yesterday. That never happened. Everybody fresh out and tired. Very, very, very tired. So we just got out of bed. We did nothing. Nothing. But today is Sunday. Yeah, well, I head home back now to Kingston. This is the part that I don't like. I'll go back home now. But Psynos is here. It was cool. It was a very good weekend because I was happy for her. For me, I just try to be a very good host. To the very best of my ability, so we've been celebrating since Wednesday. So yeah, Miss Psynos, sit and tell them how the vlog was and how the birthday vibe is. Just chat to them and things.
You guys don't mind me, I look a mess.
Yeah.
I don't believe I look too.
Yeah.
Anyways, this was the most festive birthday I ever had. Last year I was good too when we went to Jamaica, and he made my night by doing a dance off a clash. But this year we started celebrating from early. We celebrated on the day. And we're still celebrating, and that's new to me, and I'm appreciative of that. I'm being all the thank you for taking the time out for celebrating with me. And I can't wait for your birthday because I know I have to come bigger and better.
Good luck. Go broke. Nobody asks me what I want. Just do it.
No,
Nobody
I'm not
asks
gonna
me.
ask you what you want.
Me a drunk right now. Me.
But it's been a good birthday. Especially Mystic Mountain was good. It was dope. It's the first time I went on the bobsled three times?
Yeah, I think I did.
3 times. The ragamuffin, I could have go back on it, but when he was telling me that it him feel like it come out of place, I'm like,
Yeah, so the ragamuffin bad though. When I'm sure on the see. Yeah, one night time I want to see my face get serious. I said, no man, something.
He said he was trying to catch my reaction all along, but it's like it keeps swinging us.
Yeah,
so
the stabilizer.
Yeah. But the bobsled, and then the bobsled now, the second and the third time them separate we.
Yeah.
But it seems as if they weren't supposed to put us together. And because it was my friend, that put us together. And the second time, like he was going to put us together, and the man said, no, 1 to 1 cart or something.
Yeah, but usually can't work at.
But since I'm going to Mystic Mountain, it's usually 2.
Yeah, but the carts them
the cart
different.
is made like that. The cart have a little part where somebody can sit down in front of you, and where, as you could have seen, how Psynos did sit down, and they have different foot. They call that
area
for other persons to sit down.
Yeah.
So I don't understand this man, but anyways, it was still good regardless. I was afraid to hold the stabilizer by myself going down because I go down full speed. And when I reach like the slow down point, I hear Psynos about roop up.
Oh yeah.
About why? Yeah, I heard him all the way through the trees them.
Be your vibes to a bill, man.
But I went down full speed and I enjoyed myself. We went around and around on the Sky Explorer. That was the first time.
I go down full speed, see, but I kinda the brakes on the corner. It does naturally on me. It's like
that
driving.
was the first time I went around on the Sky Explorer because I'm afraid of heights. And
yeah,
I'm
that's
glad I
nice.
get to experience a lot of things with it there.
Yeah, man.
Just a journey.
Yeah, man. Bigger and
And
better.
there's more to come.
Yeah. There was other things I wanted to do too, but you don't know, certain things never come true. You know what I mean? Them people there. Big up my sponsors say, my money yet. Where my money at?
But it was good regardless. This weekend was amazing.
Yeah, I wanted her to...
Wednesday night, sorry.
Yeah, no, I was just saying I wanted us to leave Misty Mountain and go on the Choca Cove, but boy, I certainly...
Oh yeah, they have a Choca Cove party boat
Bad.
that carry us from Margaritaville to Duns River, from Duns River to... Because Duns River and Choca Cove have a zip line that's included in the party boat package.
Yep.
So we would zip line over Duns River and then we would go to Runaway Bay down by the Choca Cove post and come back up again. So it's like a whole 3-hour tour kind of thing.
We're not even...
And then they would stop in the water, let us snorkel and them stuff.
We won't drop out this day, but we're not stay on and go and some music.
But it was good. During the birthday Wednesday night, I knew it would have been good. Thursday now for my birthday, I want to thank Amars, Lance, Janine, Babe. It was good. It was Thursday, yeah, it was good. And Friday now we came down. It was still good. My uncle bring us out. It was good in Power with the little. Then Saturday morning we wake up early and then just head out. It was amazing. It was fun filled.
Yeah, they want to do more still, but you understand. We did tired, but me,
Yeah, I was
tired can't
tired.
stop me. Me they have more money.
I was tired, but I'm like, what the time when we were going up on the Sky Fair, I'm like, alright, you want to go home? And then he said, no, we're going back on the bobsled.
Yeah, man. Tired, they think like, yeah, when man want fun, you know. Me they have more money.
I told him I want to go to Six Flags.
You know what I mean? Yeah, me go there still, but me pray before me go up on them something. First, me go.
When I went to New York to Grandma, we went on a thing called the slingshot.
Oh,
Not
yeah,
like the
that
slingshot with the one with the 2 persons in it, you know. It was like 20 a whip on the one slingshot, which shot you up in the air and come back down.
Yeah,
It was
man,
a
do
big
the
one.
American one.
It was a big
the-
one.
Way up in the air. You have to understand G4, so that me tell her upon the ragamuffin.
No
you have to
man,
know
the
for
ragamuffin, at the second time I got up on the ragamuffin and closed my eyes and I was like, yo, more actually look, but I couldn't do it. It was rough. It did really rough.
Really, me need a GoPro for moments like this, me need a real GoPro. Me don't want a version of GoPro, I want the brand GoPro, made by GoPro, everything, you know what I mean? But it was cool. My main focus was just making sure I'm being a good host. I'm always happy for people's birthday, but mine, yeah, my birthday too far. By the time that come up, it's boring. Yeah, it's boring. I don't really to celebrate my birthday because if I dip on tour or something for my birthday, so it not really come in like nothing to me. I never remember me age, my last count.
Wow.
Yeah. Just left it at 25. I'm only 25 years old. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for there, you know. Sunday never they really want to go home. No,
Yeah, but
one
we
more
have
day.
work.
I'll go back up tomorrow, but we have work. But I think son need a break. There's a time, there's a chill. So I'm one of the things we get to go to the club. You know,
We went to it, but it's like nothing really happened.
You know, long more and go one event on the outside, like a day event. I want to go to like a day event down
Like,
the
we were at
beach
the
like
club,
now
but
and just dance. See a real
we didn't
music
do
and
the
just a
club,
dance.
but we got too early. We went to 2 clubs, but we went too early.
One place to have the vibes.
And then we went to
Jam
a
Crest.
3rd club, and it was the wrong night.
Yeah. Let me tell you from now, Ochi, malfunction, something alright.
Jesus, we went to
Something alright
Ochi
about
and the
Ochi.
road clear.
Yo, from
In
the
at 9 o'clock, where say?
me say, I don't know if a corona do something, but from the last time
The
we go
vibes was at
Ochi,
Jungle.
2 weeks ago, we go harvest. Ochi no look normal like how it normally look. The road scanty, no tourists, no debout, no nothing. Something, no man, Ochi wanna reset.
The vibes, them said that they are junkers still. So.
But normally, me I tell them I'm used to Ochi
Yeah,
have
it
more
would have been
vibes
packed
than that.
and people are still. You know where I think the vibe is or was? Up by where the people are play the music in the bus.
Yeah, up there, sir.
Up there,
Up
so
always
maybe,
full of
yeah.
vibes. Or, Mobi just take with the whole of the crowd. I feel like Mobi everybody there. Everybody. Mobi very festive. Mobi take away. Yeah, more carry go Margaritaville. In the night.
Mobe Margarita.
Yeah, Mobi. Yeah, we didn't want even go that one there to but she too tired. I wanted to go to Margarita.
Because we were gonna leave Mystic Mountain and go to Margarita, but boy.
She tired. Me tired, I'm not tired, I'm not going on, man. Once me hear the music and drink 2 juice, it's like I'm recharged. Gone. But overall, I'm happy that she's happy. For me, it was just being the promoter, link up. Artists want food, artists want things.
The pasta was good too, but it was like fresh.
So never good now.
It was okay, can we eat it? It did just fresh.
Me have to eat up because I never waste money. Men eat survive.
When I go back to Kingston, I'm getting Janga's pasta.
Jangas? Your pasta?
And the tacos. Them tacos nice.
For the tacos.
Yeah, all the
For
tacos for dearer than the pasta. And I 3 tacos then give it.
Because they probably ship from Mexico. You have to pay a shipping fee. You have to pay a shipping fee for it.
Like, what? And a jerk chicken then put in a taco?
So we there probably because jerk chicken one, me too hype.
And a jerk chicken in the pasta?
Bruh. But anyway, vlog bro. We there.
Yeah,
But wait for Big Brother to come link with. And then we shoot out and things. So we just go on journey with it.